Forget wax. Make your tile floors sparkle like new. Dear friends, do your tile floors look dull no matter how much you mop? The good news is you don't need expensive wax to make them shine again. Wax can actually create problems on tile. It attracts dirt, leaves a sticky layer, and can make floors look cloudy over time. Most ceramic and porcelain tiles are designed to shine without wax. Start by sweeping or vacuuming to remove dust and grit. Tiny particles can scratch the surface and make tiles lose their natural sparkle. Next, mop with warm water mixed with a few drops of pH-neutral tile cleaner. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the finish or leave behind residue. For stubborn stains and dirty grout, use a soft brush with a baking soda and water paste. Gently scrub the grout lines, then rinse thoroughly for a brighter, cleaner look. After mopping, dry the floor with a clean microfiber cloth. This simple step removes water spots and leaves the tiles looking fresh and streak-free. If your floors still appear dull, the problem may be soap buildup. Mop once with clean water to remove leftover residue and restore the tile's natural shine. Place doormats at entrances and use felt pads under furniture to prevent scratches and reduce dirt from spreading throughout your home. With regular sweeping, gentle cleaning, and proper drying, your tile floors can stay glossy and beautiful for years, without a single drop of wax. So before you buy another floor wax, try these simple tips. Your tile floors will thank you with a clean, natural shine that looks just like new. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.